Hey y'all, welcome back to Data Dozen. My name is Erin Doherty and we will keep working this week with that Social Security Card data. Check out what we're building.
Dashboard 2 explores how individual names have changed in popularity over the 20th century. We can use this filter up here to choose which names to compare, and then those names will appear in the line graph here. So for example, I've picked names from the 4 generations of women in my family, the name of my great-grandmother down to me and my sister. And this line graph starts to give some insight into the ebb and flow of these names over time. Both my sister and I, for example, received names that were bubbling up in popularity when we were born. Now, if you want to see the total for the whole century for a single name, literally just adding up all those occurrences visualized by the line, you can click on the line itself, and the sum will show up here. This can help round out the information you get from the line chart. For example, my name Erin has the largest spike of the 5 names, but it actually falls 100,000 Social Security cards shy from the sum of my grandmother's name, Beverly, which had a broad 50-year arc. And then finally, we've got this little line of dots here. It serves a few purposes. Mostly, it helps create a little separation between the line graph and the big text, but it's also a visualization in its own right. The circles are darker when the highlighted name is more common and lighter when it's less common. And it also gives you a really easy way to find a specific year if you're sifting through the tooltips. So needless to say, there's a lot to cover to build this dashboard. Here are our 5 steps today. Step 1, we'll build our line chart. Step 2, we'll create the big name and big numbers. Step 3, we'll create the line of circles. Step 4, we'll assemble our dashboard and connect our visualizations with a dashboard action. And then finally, in step 5, we'll just clean up the aesthetics. And as you build this dashboard, keep an eye on how we use color. We'll use a discrete palette for the line chart and the numbers, a continuous color palette for the circles, and accent colors using the color dropper as we polish up our dashboard. So like I said, lots to learn. Even if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the next video on to step 1 and our line chart.